Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this model in FreeCAD 1.1 development version. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create a new document, then create a new part. So the sketch is here. First, we need to create this rectangle feature. Okay, create new sketch. We select XY plane. And next, create a rectangle, and we need to add real corners. Select here. Okay. Select these two edges, equal constraint. And the radius is 8 mm. And the diameter 50. Okay, we leave the sketch. Next, we need select pipe command. The length is 10 mm. Okay, 10 mm. Yes. Next, we need to create this feature, this pipe, the diameter 16 and the length 20. So create new sketch and select XY plane and select sketch view. We need external geometry this edge. So external geometry this edge and create a rectangle and constraint symmetrical, make dimension from here. So we need that point as a reference. So external geometry this point. Next, the diameter 60. Okay, leave the sketch. Next pipe 20 mm. Okay, next we need to create this pocket feature. This pocket from here 5 mm and 10. So create new sketch. Select XY plane. Next, external geometry. Select this edge, bifurcation, so create a rectangle and constraint symmetrical, make dimension 10 mm. Okay, leave the sketch and next select a pocket. We need to use model to side. And this side is minus 5 mm. Okay, you see here. Okay, good. Next, we need to select these two features. You need hold keep out control. Select these two features and select parallel partner. So this is 4. Okay, good. Next, we need to create this cylinder. Create new sketch. Select XY plane. Sketch view. Then we create a circle and diameter 13 mm. Leave the sketch. Pipe command. Here is 13.5 mm. Okay, good. Next, we need to create the hole 24 mm and the hole is leave 4 mm pipe. So create new sketch and select XY plane. View sketch, create a circle and diameter 24 mm. leave the sketch and the pocket. Use two sides long enough and pointed -4 mm. -4 mm. Okay, good. Next, we need to create the 4 holes. So we need to hold the keyboard control, select these 4 arcs, and select a hole command. We need the hole tab, select a control bar, and these lines is 8 mm and length 3 mm. So 8 mm and the depth 3 mm. These depths we need to give 100 long enough, and the diameter is 4 mm. So millimeter. Okay. Good. We're quickly finishing the modeling, so we change the print, editor. Okay, we finishing the model. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.